attention to detail and
yeah. Once you get going, once you get
exactly. Once you get going, eventually it's easy.
I mean, sometimes you run into a little hard piece of
That
wood.
doesn't take into account everything that it took to get you there to begin with.
Yeah, I always this inside cuts. I always I get them those things. And you know, people ask, how do you learn that? I'm self-taught. Self-taught. I did know a guy who showed me just how to put a backing plate on that. I just couldn't grasp on what he was talking about. But after that, it's called trial and error.